Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin this presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Indriyani. I am from Management 22B and my NPM is 2241116 and 5. The title of this presentation is about psychological aspect in work performance, training and development. Next slide, it's about understanding employee motivation in engagement. First, in interesting motivation, employees are more likely to be engaged and productive when they feel a sense of purpose and meaning in their work. Second is extrinsic motivation, providing recognition, reward, and opportunities for growth can also contribute to motivation and engagement. And the last is employee needs, understanding individual needs and preference such as autonomy, mastery, and connection is key for fostering engagement. Next, it's about addressing resistance to change. First is communication. Clear communication is vital for reduction, uncertainty, and anxiety about change. Second is participation. Improving employee in the change process can increase buy-in and reduce resistance. And the last is support, providing training, coach, and research adapt to new ways of working. Next, it's about fostering a growth mindset. First is learning opportunity. Provide opportunity for employee to learn new skill and development their knowledge. Feedback. Regularly constructive feedback help employee identity are for improvement and growth. And last is challenge. Encourage employee to take a new challenge and embrace opportunity for growth. Next, it's about emotional intelligence in workplace. First is self-awareness, understanding one's own emotions, and how impact behavior. Second is empathy, recognizing and understanding the emotion of other. Third is social skill, building strong relationship and effectively communication with others. And the last is self-management, regulation, emotion, and controlling impulses. Next, it's affect communication strategy. First, affect communication strategies is active listening. Pay attention to what others are saying and ask living question. Second is clear and concise communication, manage effectively and avoid ambiguity. And the last is feedback. Provide constructive feedback and encourage open communication. Next is stress management, work-life balance. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness techniques to reduce stress and increase focus. Second is time management. Prioritize tasks and set boundaries to avoid overwork. And last is physical activities. Engagement in regular exercise to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Next is a changing team dynamic and collaboration. Trust, open communication and mutual respect are crucial for building trust. Second is collaboration. Courage, teamwork, and great opportunity for shared decision making. And the last, conflict resolution. Develop strategy for address conflict fairly. Next, understanding human behavior. First, individual difference. Learning style, personality traits, and motivation vary among individuals influence how they absorb and retain of information. Second is perception and cognition. Training programs should be designed to cater to how people perceive and process information. Consider factors like attention span and memory. Uh, and the last is social dynamic. Understanding group dynamic, peer influence, and collaboration is important for effective team training and development. Next, it's about motivation employee. Intrinsic motivation, fostering a sense of purpose, autonomy, and mastery can drive employees to learn and grow. Extrinsic motivation, reward, recognition, and incentives can provide tangible benefits the accounts, participation, and effort. And the last, it's about goal setting. Clear and achieved goals come with regular feedback and progress tracking can increase motivation and engagement. Next, it's about affect communication strategies. First is active listening. Training should actively listen to training question and concurrent, fostering a two-way communication flow. Second is a clear and concise language, using simple understanding language tailored to the audience level of understanding and user affect message delivery. And last is visual aids and attractive activities. Interacting visual aids, interactive, active, and hands-on exercise, exchange learning and engagement. Next, it's about overcoming resistance to change. First is understanding the reason, identity, and address the root cause of resistance. Where there is fear of no unknown, lack of trust, or perceived loss. Second is open communication and transparency. Clearly communication that rationale behind the change and provide regularly update on process, fostering trust and transparency. And the last is about empowering employee in improve employee in the change process, providing opportunities for the to contribute. Fostering a positive learning environment. First is respectful and inclusive culture. Create a safe and welcoming space where everyone feels valued, respect, and comfortable sharing and their perspective. Second is supportive feeds and engagement. Provide constructive feeds focusing on areas for growth and offering positive reinforcement for effort and progress. And last is opportunity for collaboration. Facilitate fair learning and group activities, encouraging their trainers to share knowledge, support each other, and learn for one another. Next is about developing emotion intelligence. First is self-awareness, understanding one's own emotions, strengths, weakness, and impact on others. Second is empathy, recognizing and understanding their emotion of other, fostering and sense of connection and rapports and rapport. Third is emotion regulation, managing one's emotion effectively, responding to situation constructively and avoiding impulsive reaction. And last is relationship management, building and maintaining healthy relationship communication effectively and resolving conflict productively. Next, it's about measuring the effect of psychology. Its first is metric. Metric and description. Employee certification survey goes employee overall job certification and include their application on their training and development programs. Performance review assesses individual and team performance, identifying are for improvement and the effectiveness of training intervention. And the last is retention rate, measure employee can be improved, employee station and development. Okay, guys, maybe it just I can say about this presentation. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.